Okay. Well, Clint's got a nice one there.
Yeah. Good for you, Clint.
What is the date today?
September
11th.
Yeah,
Yeah.
9/11.
Clint's got a, he's running that tail dancer there. Yeah. Get out of here with it. Make it kind of stand up, Clint, so I can get the angle on that fish. Bring her over this way. Oh, look at that pike. Holy shit. Whoa, that's a nice one. Yep, keep fighting her. Throw it that way.
Wow.
Oh, man. Holy shit. Jesus, that's a big one.
That's a nice one.
Holy shit.
Good job, Clint.
That was fun.
All right, oops, careful.
Okay. Careful, he trashes.
Okay. Get my little pliers out there.
Nice fish.
Yeah.
I was hoping it'd be a big walleye. That's what I was hoping.
There's a nice pike. September
Beauty.
11th,
Yeah, that's a beauty. I haven't caught one that big
2012.
for a long
Rainy
time.
Lake.
Oh, you got the rod right in front of you.
Good one, Woody. Push the red.
Yep.